Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and subscription. Install the VPN app on your gaming device or router. Choose a server geographically close to the game host to reduce ping, and enable the kill switch in settings so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Once done, sign in and test basic connectivity with a speed check and a ping to the game server. Make sure to close unnecessary background apps that consume bandwidth before you launch the game. You now configure routing and protocols for optimal performance. Enable split tunneling to route only the game through the VPN while keeping downloads local, which lowers overhead. Select a fast protocol like WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP and test both to see which gives lower jitter. If you game on a console or multiple devices, set the VPN on your router so the whole LAN uses the server. Make sure NAT type stays open. Once configured, reboot devices and retest latency to confirm improvements. You finish by running in-game tests. Check ping, jitter, and packet loss, then play a short match to verify stability. If you see higher latency, switch to a nearer VPN server or change protocols. Try disabling split tunneling to see if results differ. If the VPN disconnects, use the kill switch to prevent leaks and reconnect, or restart the VPN app. Reboot your router or contact your provider if problems persist. Remember to document which server and settings gave the best performance for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.